Now we're going to kick things off based on the same sequence that we have over here and to see how everything gets actually generated. I'm just simply going to give it the name of the platform, and at this point, because I have structured the prompts properly, it will follow my lead only. Here you go. Just simply type in Instagram, take a look at the output. It will show me now the visual, that's one, the captions, the hashtags, and the best practices. And you will be surprised by how powerful the end result is. Now, so it's giving me actually the key, the posting structure, for example, the style, the theme, the text to image, what's included, what you could include when you're typing this as the caption best format. You could choose any of those, as well as the hashtags that you could use. Best practices followed, the square ratio. Now, click to action, which is in the first two lines. Order now, flavor preview, branded background with food at the center, emojis for engagement, hashtags. So it's following the structure of the template that's going to generate. So since we are starting with an Instagram visual, it's showing you actually the actual style that is going to be used to create the post, the theme, right? Text on the image, what's going to be included on the image. This gives you some space for modification. Let's say you'd like to modify something over here. Once we take a look at the end result, I could just simply ask ChatGPT to change the text on the image, type something else. So and the visual structure has been translated to a text. Then it has given me the captions, best practice format, including the actual hashtags, which could be used based on the theme. Then the best practices followed, square ratio or portrait. Then we have the click to action, first two lines, order now, plus flavor preview, branded background, hashtags, niche, plus geo, plus product focused. Take a look at the result right now. See how powerful this is? So by proper prompt structure, I was able to have a best fit post for Instagram within seconds, including graphic design best practices, including branding, including messaging, including marketing. And the graphics that we have created from the get-go, if you take a look at them, the graphics, the logos, the themes, the typography, all of them are part of our posts. This normally takes hours to create, and we're able to get it done within a couple clicks, not to mention the hyper realistic images, which adds that extra solid vibe which you would like to pass on when you are sharing food reviews or sharing dishes, which is very important on platforms such as Instagram, right? So that way we have a clear post from A to Z, how it has been structured, what's included, by the way, on the text, on the post. If I take a look at the text, tacos worth talking about. Go down, tacos worth talking about. It's already over here. Now, the text is actually being reflected. Try al pastor, chicken and veggie. Here we go. Following the color palettes as well. So how is this structured? You're having the text within the visual for you to edit later on if you prefer. What captions will be used. Once you upload the image below, you can just simply copy this as is to your screen. Then it confirms the best practices followed to make sure that this post is set up for success from the get-go. So this is very powerful. You can just simply save it, store it, or you can just simply type, create one more. Here we go. So what does this tell you? By simply building the proper prompt structure that we have made, I can just simply, from this point onwards, keep typing, create one more, and then I'll have an endless pool of visuals for Instagram for my hypothetical restaurant over and over and over again within couple clicks, within seconds. And guess what? Every single one of them is actually going to be reflecting the best cases. is going to be reflecting the best practices. That way, you have a clear ability to have endless posts following your own graphics design initiatives, social media initiatives, whatever initiative that you're having, whatever project that you're having, by strategically and using the innovative approach that I've taught you in this current class to help you have an endless pool of graphics, designs, branding, brand messaging, marketing posts, marketing initiatives, and the list goes on. Take a look at the end result. It's going to follow the same approach. The Instagram post style, the theme, the text on the image, proceeding to create this new visual. Notice what we have over here. It's giving me exactly what text is going to be using, and then it's following the best practices. Take a look at this. This is very powerful. It's actually promoting the food as part of promotion. This is very, very powerful. Now, keeping in mind, it did not add the captions. I can just simply add the captions. Here we go. And just simply hashtags. Here we go. That's it. Add the captions and hashtags. So simply when I have this post, I can just simply copy it, paste it, put it on a different platform, put it on Instagram again. That way I have the ability to keep on generating these social media templates for my initiative over and over again without actually running out of them. And in case I would like to modify something, I can just simply modify it. Now, let's move on to the next platform.